Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Imagine writing your entire research paper in half the time with better quality and zero stress. Sounds impossible. But this tool that I am going to show in this video is the game-changing tool for every researcher. If you are a student, MPhil or PhD researcher, you already know the struggle. There are too many papers to read, confusing literature reviews, notes scattered everywhere, and writing takes forever. But what if one tool could organize, summarize, and even explain everything for you? Today, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM step by step. Not just basics, but how researchers are using it to write their literature review section, summarizes papers instantly, create research insights. And trust me, the last feature I'll show you is a game changer. So, first is important to know what is Notebook LM. So Notebook LM is an AI powered research assistant, but unlike ChatGPT or Google, it works only on your uploaded sources. It means that there are no random answers, no fake references, 100% context based insights. How it works? So I'm interested to show how Notebook LM helps researchers in writing their research paper, research projects, and what are its functioning. So here we can see that Notebook LM helps researchers by acting as an AI powered source grounded research assistant that centralizes, summarizes, and synthesizes up to 5 lakh words per source, up to 50 sources per notebook into a cohesive knowledge base. It significantly reduces the time spent on literature reviews and drafting by providing direct citations for every claim it makes, grounded exclusively in the documents you provide or upload. Here is how Notebook LM aids in writing research paper or research projects. First, we are using in the way that we are providing our PDFs or resource articles, notes, then it works. Literature review section and synthesis, organizing and structuring, writing and drafting, and it can also help in verification and accuracy, efficient workflow. So I'm showing you step by step. Now comes the magic. Instead of reading 50 papers, just ask what are the main findings across these studies. After uploading your helping articles or research books. Ask the Notebook LM that what are the main findings across these studies, what gaps exist in the literature. You get structured academic level answers. How it can help in writing the literature review section. This is where researchers save hours. Just ask, write a literature review on this topic. It will combine all sources, identify themes, keep academic tone. What is important thing that is attached with this tool, it always edit and refine, don't copy blindly. What are the advanced features of this Notebook LM? It can turn your research into podcast style explanation. Prefer for revisions. Mind maps visualize your entire research structures in second. Flashcards great for exams, viva, or quick recall reports. It can generate structured summaries instantly. Let's say, for example, we are saying that our research topic is the climate change and economic growth. We download the research article on the same topic and upload on the notebook LM. Now we can instantly ask about the theories, findings, conflicting results. That is exactly what reviewers want. If you want to get next level, do this. Ask for contradictions between papers, ask for research gaps, ask for future research directions. This is how you create a publishable paper. But by using this AI tool, the big mistakes that researcher make is they are using the AI tool blindly, not verifying sources. So always remember, AI is the assistant, but you are the researcher. If you are serious about research, this tool can save your hundreds of hours. Comment below guide and I will share more advanced strategies, and don't forget to subscribe because I am bringing tools that make research easy. Thanks for watching.